Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your avatar on WhatsApp. Firstly, go to WhatsApp. Then tap on the settings icon which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on avatar which is located below your username. Then you may see create your avatar button. Tap on that. Here, a page opens up. Then you may tap on Get Started to proceed. Then the app asks if it could take a photo of you so that it makes it easier to create animated stickers. However, you can choose to create it manually by clicking on the Create Manually button below. Then the app asks you to choose a skin tone for your avatar. You may choose a skin tone according to your liking. Once the skin tone is chosen, you may tap on Next. Then you may choose the hairstyle according to your liking and again tap on Next. Then again you may choose your hair color and tap on Next. Again you may choose your face shape and then tap on Next if you're satisfied with it. There are more options according to your width as well. Then you may choose your outfit according to your liking as well and then tap on Done. However, if you want to add more personalization or more edits, then you may tap on More Personalization. You may personalize or edit your avatar more by adding more features like your face shape, your jawline, the face markings on your face lines, the eye shape, your eye makeup if you have any, your eyebrows, your bindis, or if you have any eyewears, you can add eyewears. Then you may add your nose shape. Once you're satisfied with the avatar that you've created, then you may tap on Save, which is located on the top right corner of your screen. Again, tap on Next. Once your avatar has been created, to check your newly animated stickers, you may tap on Browse Stickers below Edit Avatar. Here, you can see your newly animated stickers that you just created. Furthermore, if you want to edit your avatar more, then you may tap on Edit Avatar, which is located on the bottom. If you're satisfied, then you may scroll down. This is how you can easily create your avatar on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.